Seminar on disaster management, meaning disaster management that any occurrence that causes damage, ecological disruption, loss of human life or deterioration of health and health services on a scale sufficient to warrant an extraordinary response from outside the affected community or area. WHO 1995. Disaster management or emergency management is the creation of plans through which communities reduce vulnerability to hazards and cope with disaster. Types: nature disaster, man made disaster. Disaster can be natural or man made. Natural disaster include earthquake, tsunami, forest fire, landslide, and mudslides, tornadoes, floods, and volcanic eruption. Man-made disasters include hazards, substance accidents, that is, chemical toxic gases, radiological accidents, dam failures, resources storage, example, food, electricity, and water. Structural fire and explosion and domestic disturbance, terrorism, bombing, and riots, bioterrorism, explosion, fires, toxic material, pollution, civil unrest, terrorist attack. Throughout history, natural and man-made disasters have disrupted food and water supply and solution causes communicable diseases, injury, illness, and death. Principle of disaster management: prevent the occurrence of the disaster whenever possible. Minimize the number of casualties if the disaster cannot be prevented. Prevent further casualties from occurring after the initial impact of the disaster. Rescue the victims. Provide first aid to the injured. Evaluate the injured to medical facilities. Provide definitive medical care. Promote reconstruction of lives. Environmental pollution, industrial disaster, crisis, food poisoning, road train accidents, war, minor man-made disaster. Chemical pollution, pollution due to prawn cultivation, deforestation, epidemic, setting of fires, storm major, man-made disaster, mudslide, heat waves, thunderstorm, cold wave, earthquake, minor natural disaster, cyclone, flood, major natural disaster. Epidemiological framework: disaster, agent, environment, host, age, sex, immunization status, pre-existing health, degree of mobility, emotional stability, humankind. Secondary agents include bacteria and viruses that produce contamination or infection after the primary agent has caused injury or destruction. Host: primary agent include falling building, heat, wind, rising water, and smoke. Disaster agent: psychological factors, distress of victim to the disaster site. Social factors are those that contribute to the individual social support system. Loss of family members, change in rules, religious beliefs. Social factors to be examined after disaster. Biological factors include contaminated water, improper waste disposal, insect or rodent proliferation, improper food storage or lack of refrigeration, owing to interrupted electrical services. Chemical factors include leakage of stored chemicals into the air, soil, groundwater, or food supplies. Physical factors include the weather conditions, availability of food and water, and the functioning of utilities such as electricity and telephone services. Environment impact phase. This occurs at the time of disaster. The impact phase continues until the threat of further restriction has passed and the emergency plan is in effect. Emergency Operation Center has been established. Physical and psychological support. Phases of disaster. Pre-impact phase. It is the initial phase of disaster. Warning is given prior to actual occurrence. Emergency centers are opened. Communication, radio and televisions. Community must be educated. Post-impact phase. Recovery being during the emergency phase and end with the return of normal community order and functioning. For persons in an impact area, this phase may last a lifetime. That is, victims of the atomic bombing. Phases of disaster management. Triage, red, most urgent, first priority, yellow, urgent, second priority, green, third priority, black, dying need, red, most urgent, first priority, life threatening injuries, shock, chest wound, internal hemorrhage, head injuries producing increased loss of consciousness, partial or full thickness burn over 20% to 60% of the body surface, and chest pain. Poor chance of survival, yellow, urgent, second priority. Injuries with systematic effects and complication, but yet not in shock. Withstand 30 to 60 minutes. Category include multiple fracture, open fracture, spinal injury, large laceration, partial or full thickness burn over 10% to 20% of the body surface, and medical emergencies such as diabetic coma, insulin shock, and epileptic seizure. Observe closely, green third priority. Minimum injury and accompanied by systemic complication. Wait several hours for treatment. Closed fracture, minor burns, minor laceration, sprain, and abrasions would not survive under the best of circumstances. Crushing injuries to the head or chest, hopelessly injured patient or dead victim, black, dying or dead. What are the local industries? How is the local terror conducive to disaster formation? How is the local climate conducive to disaster formation? What previous disaster experiences has the community been involved with locally, statewide, nationally? Is there a current community disaster plan in place? Psychological care, emotional support services, treatment for victim and their family, determine actual and potential disaster threat. Diagnosis community disaster threat. What are the most silent chronic illness in the community and will need immediate attention? What is immediately available for infant care and care of elderly and disabled? What are the local agencies and organizations? What are the locally available disaster resources? What personnel are available for disaster intervention? Are there any community hazard? Community disaster planning. Develop a disaster plan to prevent or deal with identified disaster threats. Identify a local community communication system. Identify disaster personnel including private and personal voluntary, local emergency personnel agencies and resources. Identify regional backup agency personnel. Identify specific responsibility for various personnel involved in disaster coping and establish a disaster chain of command. Practice using equipment, obtaining and distributing supplies. Practice community disaster plans with all personnel carrying out their previously identified responsibilities. Focus on primary prevention activities to prevent occurrence of man-made disaster. Implement disaster plan. Evaluate response of personnel involved in disaster relief effort. Evaluate the disaster impact on community and surrounding region. Critically evaluate all aspects of disaster plans and practice drills for speed, effectiveness, gaps, and revisions. Emergency services, hospital and clinics, community health personnel, nurses, doctors, pharmacists, emergency medical teams, dentists, and volunteers, community government officials, and local industry, working with local, state, and agencies in identifying disasters like risk and developing disaster prevention strategies through extensive public education in disaster prevention and readiness. Phases of disaster management: mitigation, preparedness, personal preparedness, threats and conflict among disaster workers. Professional preparedness, licensed equipments, personal equipment such as a stethoscope, a flashlight, and extra batteries, cash, warm clothing, and a heavy jacket, or weather appropriate clothing. Record keeping material, pocket size reference book. Community preparedness. Participation role in preparedness. First, within the employing organization, help initiate or update the disaster plan, provide educational program and material regarding disaster specific to the area, and organize disaster drill. Community health nurse provide an update record of vulnerable population within the community. Individualized strategies should be reviewed, include the availability of specific resources in the event of an emergency. Third, leader, an intimate knowledge of the institution and familiarity with the individual who work there. Persons with disaster management training, and especially those who have served on real disaster, make valuable members of only preparedness team as well. Fourth, as community advocate, should always seek to keep a safe environment, recalling that disasters are not only natural but also man-made. The nurse in the community has an obligation to assess for and report environmental health hazard. Fifth, others. A. What community resources will be available after a disaster strike, and most important, how the community will work together. C. What should occur before, during, and after the response, and his or her role within the plan. D. Community health nurse who seeks greater involvement or a more in-depth understanding of disaster management can become involved in any number of community organizations that are part of the official response team, such as the Red Cross, Salvation Army, or emergency medical system, ambulance corps response. It includes community assessment, case finding and referring, prevention, health education, surveillance, and working with aggregates. Local and regional emergency and public health resources can be readjusted as assessment reports continue to become in shelter management responsibility of the local Red Cross building of 10 cities, assessing and referring, ensuring medical need, providing first aid, serving meals, keeping patient record, ensuring emergency communication and transportation, and providing a safe environment. Psychological stress of disaster workers. The degree of worker stress depends on the nature of disaster, role in the disaster, individual's stamina, and other environmental factors. International relief efforts. Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Society and the International Committee of Red Cross, or as health representative from the WHO. Disaster recovery flexibility, community cleanup effort, release of continuing threat, teaching proper hygiene, short-term psychological support, alert for environmental health hazard, home visit, environmental factors, noise, inadequate workspace, physical danger, and stimulus overload, stress, mood swing, frustration, and conflict. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel, and if you want more detail about this topic, visit our website. And if you want that we should make videos on other topics, you can comment us or contact us or mail us. All the links and mail ID is given in the description box. Thank you.